Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make gradient image border in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then you want to add gradient border. At first, go to the home menu. Select the new slide drop down menu and create a blank slide. Then go to the insert menu and choose the image picture option, then choose picture from our file and click insert, then resize the image, then go to the picture format menu and click the format picture option, then select the fill and line option, select the line and choose gradient line. Then now I am remove some gradient stops and select the stops, then choose color, then increase the white. Now we can see we add gradient border to picture very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.